force but not so strong. Something feels totally wrong. Crack, crack in his teeth today. Oh no, 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 what's the way? Help, 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 what to do? Dentist Kitty is coming through. Dino opens mouth so wide. Ouch, 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 he cannot hide. No crunchy food, no happy bite wet. Even grass feels not right. He shakes his head. I feel pain. Big dinosaur eyes looks all the day. Teeth are hurting very slow. Can't talk, beep, beep, beep. Titi arrives with happily prick. White coat on tiny chair. Not worry, Dino, I'll take care. She checks the teeth one by one. This problem will soon be gone. Kitty, Kitty, on the way. Fixing teeth today. Brush, 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 shiny clean. Now he feels strong, bone smooth. Kitty gives magic mint glow. Now your smile can really show. Brush, 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 all okay. Fixing teeth today. Dino tries one crunchy bite. A wow, it feels just right. He jumps, he roars, he plays again. No more pain, no more pain. Kitty claps, mission done. Lick smiles like rising sun. Crunch, 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 happy now. Shows no strong, shows you how. Big bright smiles they cannot hide. Toothbrush shines, sparkle glow. Healthy teeth now ready to go. Oh no, no, turn to yay. Save the teeth today. So smiles loud and free. Best dentist ever, yay! Five skeletons were stealing eggs at night. They grabbed the eggs and ran out of sight. But Kitty woke up with glowing eyes. Hey, stop right there! She shouted in surprise. One got caught, poof, he's gone. Hit the rest ran fast before the dawn. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, hi, no more skeletons stealing eggs tonight. Four skeletons came back again, thinking they could steal like vengeance. But Kitty was ready, quick and smart. Not in my farm, you can't take part. One slipped away with a funny fall. The others ran away from it all. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, Forte, stay away from this farm tonight. Three skeletons tried once more, sneaking quietly near the door. But Kitty jumped with a magic sound and made them vanish all around. Kitty said, this is not your place. They ran away in a silly chase. Inspector came and clearly said, no more stealing eggs tonight. Two skeletons came super slow, but Kitty said no, no, no. One got scared and ran away fast. The other didn't even last. No. Inspector arrived with warning light. Keep the eggs safe every night. One skeleton was stealing eggs alone, but Kitty was strong like stone and pool. He saw her and started to flee. No more eggs for me, I'm free. Kitty didn't even need to chase. Peace returned to Kitty's place. Inspector came and closed the case. All eggs safe, no more race. Eggs are safe, the farm is fine. Kitty did an awesome shine within. With happy meal Baby shark, is it today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty standing by. Baby shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. Runs in fast. How with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check. Boom, boom, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with me. Baby shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky, yup. Baby shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, 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 drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby shark takes little nap, or then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, 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 feeling rake. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby shark jumps in the sea. Healthy, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound. Thank you, Kitty, thank you, meow. I feel so much better now. Oh no, no sick no more. Baby shark swims like before. Hip, hip, hooray, 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 hooray. Kitty driving on the bus. Funny riders making fuss. Pot of conch here and bumper there. Crazy chaos everywhere. Riding on a bus, go, go, go. But something's wrong, you know. No. 5 funny riders riding on a bus. The one jumped up and made a fuss. Jump, crack! Went the bus front light. Kitty called the owl in the night. Wolf said, sit down, please. No more jumping on the seats. 4 funny riders riding on a bus. Monkey danced and shook the bus. Boom, boom, wheel went flat. Kitty said, what was that? Kitty called the tiger right away. Tiger said, drive slow today. 3 funny riders riding on a bus. Bunny spilled juice all on us. Bliss, splash, splash. Floor got wet. Slippery bus, you bet. Kitty called the panda bear. Panda said, cleat everywhere. 2 funny riders riding on a bus. Filthy barked and startled us. Honk, honk, horn got stuck. Loudest bus, what bad luck. Kitty called the parrot then. Parrot said, quiet again. 1 funny rider riding on a bus. Bear rolled down and crashed with bus. Door flew wide. Kitty said, hold on tight. Kitty called the bunny once more. Bunny said, fix the door. All funny riders fix the bus. No more chaos, no more fuss. Wheels go round and lights now glow. Kitty says, now let's go, Coco. Riding on a bus, smooth and slow. Happy riders steal the show.